So I love having snacks in the house that are better for me. So, Welch's Absolute Fruitfuls. I know. I'm gonna do a taste test and let you guys know what I think about them. Let's dive in. So we have strawberry, mango peach, and berry medley. Mango peach. Moment of truth. Wow. Oh wow, that's really good. The mango really comes through. Ooh, this is really good. Okay, this one is berry medley. Color swatch, color swatch. Wait. Didn't plan it. Okay. This one's really good. It's not as sweet as the peach mango, but it's very tasty. I really like this one a lot. Last but not least, we have strawberry. Wow, this one is really good. For me personally, it's gonna go mango peach, number one, strawberry, and then berry medley. Lovely.